Was COVID-19 created in China's biolabs? This theory has once again gained attention after US President Joe Biden asked officials to redouble efforts to probe the origin of the COVID-19 pandemic and revert in 90 days. Now, it is common knowledge that the Wuhan Institute of Virology is very close to the Wuhan seafood market, which is essentially identified as ground zero for COVID-19. This is the place where the first traces of COVID-19 were found much before it became a pandemic. Now, in response to the United States President's demand for a probe into the origins of COVID-19, China has responded by accusing the United States of spreading misleading conspiracy theories and instead has asked the United States to open up its own virology institutes for scrutiny. They're possibly hinting that it was the United States which spread the virus, or the US is working on bioweapons in its virology institutes. Citing a US intelligence report, international media also reported that 3 researchers from China's Wuhan Institute of Virology had sought hospital care in November 2019, and several researchers at the lab became sick in autumn 2019 with symptoms consistent with both COVID-19 and common seasonal illness. Now, this was months before China disclosed the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, earlier this month, 18 leading scientists from around the world came together to write an open letter asking for a thorough investigation into the origins of the deadly pathogen. They want this investigation to determine whether the virus was leaked from a lab due to human errors or did it originate naturally. Now, while China and US continue to play the blame game, there is still no doubt that a thorough investigation into the origins of COVID-19 is needed in order to mitigate the risks of any future outbreaks.